Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Triumph Bonneville T120. This is a 1200cc twin-cylinder retro sport, very torquey. It's got ABS brakes, beautiful condition, 15,000 miles. I love those pea shooter exhaust, super retro. Nice two-tone, red and silver. Make your Bonneville dreams come true for just $79.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.